Welcome aspirants. Today our video is on OIR and the part which we will cover is equal cubes or similar cube quotients. Gentlemen, let's dive into what are similarity questions. In such type of questions, make sure you check the figure first, memorize the adjacent faces with respect to its position. Don't assume anything out of the given. Alignment of position and shapes is very important. Let's see with the example. So in this example, you can see there are two figures which are similar in both the cubes, that is brackets and question mark. Now check the position of brackets with respect to question mark. In second figure, what happened is the cube is just toppled. So the front face is now the top face. Since it is toppled, even the question mark which is vertical will now become horizontal. So this shows that both of the cubes are similar. See. Now let's move on to the next question. Gentlemen, in this cube there is a D and these arrows. These are similar in both the cubes. Now what you will see is that the cube is moved by 90 degrees. See, this D which was on the side face is now in the front face. So when this cube is moved by 90 degrees to this side, even the arrows will move and they are now in vertical and now they have become horizontal in the second cube. This shows that both of the cubes are same. Now you need not have to worry about where this E went or from where this figure came, because this figure might be there in the back. So you just have to focus on the figures that are given and make sure the alignment matches after the cubes are toppled or moved in some certain direction. So as we know that these both cubes, they are similar. See. Now let's move on to the third question. In this question, we have figures which are similar in both the cubes. That is a smiley face and a circle with a dot within. Now what we can see is that the smiley face was on the top face, but now it came to the front face. So this shows that the cube has been toppled down. Since it has been toppled down, these arrows, they are now the base, and this A must have been back there in the first cube. Now once it is toppled down, the smiley face will be the same, just it will be on the front face, whereas the circle might have rotated, but since it is a circle, it will look the same. So both cubes are similar. Gentlemen, you always have to first initially find out which two figures are common. Now in this question, you can see just one figure is common. Now this kind of questions are a little bit difficult, but they are not impossible. Now see here, the circle with a vertical line is in the front face, but in the second figure it went to the side face. That is basically the cube is rotated by 90 degrees. Now if the cube is rotated by 90 degrees, this quadrilateral with a horizontal line, it should have been there on the top face, but it is not there. This shows that the cubes aren't similar. Let's look to the answer. Yes, see, the cubes aren't similar. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, we can see there's a quadrilateral and a circle with dashes which are similar in both the diagrams. Now focus on the alignment of the quadrilateral. It was on the top face, but now in the second diagram it came to a front face. So we come to know that the cube has been toppled down. Since the cube has been toppled down, even the circle which is here is vertical will now move to a horizontal position because of the rotation of the cube. So since it has come to the front face, the circle has become horizontal. This shows that both of the cubes are similar. Gentlemen, I hope you liked today's video, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Aspirants, we have various mock tests available for you. You can follow our Instagram page for the latest update, that is SSB_select. The link will be given in the description, as well as you can avail our mock series, for which the link will be in the description, or you can contact us via Instagram. Thank you.